Hey guys, Victoria here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing all my tips on how to get A+ for physics in SPM, all my last minute tips and also the important things that you need to take note of. So before we start, for those of you who take physics, I'm guessing you take NMaths as well. So along with physics video today, I have posted NMaths video as well. So after you watch this one, make sure you go watch that one. So now we'll proceed with today's video. My first tip when it comes to physics is to really know all your formulas. Everything in physics is really based off of formulas. All the concepts are derived from formulas. For example, for the formula F equals to PA, P equals to F over A, the definition of pressure is simply force per unit area. So if you know the formulas, life will just be really easy for you. If you don't know the definition of pressure, but you can write down P equals to F over A, and then you know that that divider means per unit, then you can easily know that pressure is force per unit area. As simple as that. Everything in physics is really derived off of formulas. So if you have been watching my videos for quite some time now, then you would know that I have two videos already. One video on the complete list of Form 4 formulas for physics and one video for the complete list of Form 5 formulas. Both videos will be linked in the description box below in case you have never heard or watched that video before. But those are the list of complete formulas. I even explain some of the formulas and how you can apply that and stuff. So definitely go watch that video if you need a grasp of the formulas. And after I posted those two videos, a lot of you guys have actually asked me if I memorize all the formulas, and you're like, what? How is it possible to memorize all the formulas? The answer is I don't force myself to really memorize all the formulas. Like, I don't study the formulas like I study bio. I don't just memorize it, but as I do a lot of exercises and when those formulas come to practice, I can know it. Like, I do read that list of formulas so that it's in the back of my head. When I go through questions, I will list down the readings that are given and the units and values that are given. It will be a long question and they will give you all the information that you need and don't need as well. So you're going to pick out the information that you really need from there, and let's say they say that pressure is 450 PA. So you're going to write down P equals to 450, and then they give you the force as well. So you're going to write F equals to 200 N, and then they ask for the area. So from the force and pressure, you're going to find the area, and you have to list down A equals to what, and by looking at those three things, P and F and A, you're going to try to recall which formula comprises all of these three units. So if you keep a list of formulas that you go through every now and then, just read through and familiarize yourself with those formulas, then it would be extremely helpful. Because once you see those P and F and A, you link it together and you'll be like, oh, the formula is P equals to F over A, so you're going to apply that formula and get the answer. As simple as that. So formulas are really important in conclusion, so go and get those formulas in, watch those videos to help you, and just try to grasp as many formulas as you can. Also, a fun fact is that I use acronyms to memorize formulas as well. Those formulas that I find really difficult to memorize, I would just use acronyms to memorize them. For example, for the formula F equals to PA, why can I still memorize it after so long? It's because I have an acronym for that, and it's like Priya equals to personal assistant. So Priya is a name of a person and personal assistant is just like a post personal assistant. So I remember it as Priya equals to personal assistant. That's why I can remember it all the way till today. And then from that formula, I just derive P equals to F over A. So it's not necessary that you have to memorize the core formula, because the core formula here is P equals to F over A. But maybe you can memorize it in some other forms, because whenever you think that F equals to PA, you will know that P equals to F over A as well. So you can make things easier for yourself sometimes if you can memorize the formula in this form better, and you know that from this form you can easily derive to get another form, then you can memorize it in that form. And also like use acronyms whenever you can. Priya equals to personal assistant, F equals to PA, as simple as that.